brim that fucking went off. If it's a small brim, I'm gonna be shocked. Might even be a small snapper. If it's a small brim, this is a brim that is full of energy. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Some kihara. Do you want? That's it. Press stop, my friend. How cool that is. Come here, puppy. Hello, mate. Oh! Macarena, Macarena, Macarena. Why you run? Is it big as your head? Is it big as your head? Oh! Oh, it's a catfish.
Oh yeah, out of all things.
Oh. Do you use it? Were you using a prawn?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. It's an ugly, eh? Some people like to eat them, but
It's my grandma's favorite fish.
yeah, see? Fijian Indians like them too. Oh, you're kidding. There's about a bin of those out there. Here's another little trick you can do if your bait goes dead. Just cut it. It's called butterflying this way. Just go up like this to there. Turn it over. Same thing. Like that. And then just take the backbone out like that. Wipe your hands, of course. That's disgusting. Then get this part. And just hook it straight through the head. Up like this. So it goes in there really good. Oh God. There you go. And hopefully that gets munched. Oh, did I get him? Yep, got him. Yeah. Nah, this is Taylor. What have we got here? Might be a nice brim. What is it? What the fuck? What the? That's fucked. A tangle. This motherfucker has somehow tangled that rod on this. Could it get any worse? It really isn't. It really isn't not my night. Lost my rod. Oh, disasters, disasters. What do we do? What do we do? That's only small. Little snapper. Little bastardo. Oh no. Nope. Yes. You saved my rod. What is this? Ooh. I've only got light line. Did it start running?
Yeah, your rod was like this. We're gonna fall in the water.
Oh, did it get off?
No.
No. Not big,
What is
I don't
it?
think. A little snapper. But fucking. Oh, what the? He just fucking took a little mean run.
No, it's a good thing.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, right.
That's Broomy. Yeah, right. Yeah, right.
Yeah, right.
Oh.
Thanks, man.
Oh. You hungry? And the jig I got today worked. Any followers? Oh. That's a nice one. Oh. If we stay for kings. We have gone to another spot. We have the whole wharf to ourselves. We're very, very, very blessed. Haven't fished here in a long time, but I'm hoping it will be good. It looks pretty good. Let's see what happens, eh?
You reckon?
Something, bear. Something just grabbed that, man. I'm telling you, something just grabbed
Something's
that.
still there.
Just like you said, we're just about to leave. It went like this.
Still something nibbling on it, huh? Keep it lifted again. Yeah.
Sometimes they fuck around with it and chew it.
Yeah? They don't swallow it?
Sometimes they do, but sometimes they fuck around. You know what I mean? Sometimes you notice you're not around your rod to see it do this, and then when it gets hurt, and that you only see that part. But I've been sitting here and it's been doing that for ages, and that they're chewing at it, and then that's when they go for a run.
Crab or a crab.
Yeah, it's a crab or something. Oh, I got line. The fuck is that?
Stingray. Come have
That's
a
the biggest.
Flounder?
Oh, I thought it was a flounder.
That's a stingray.
Yeah.
Got a sting-
Weird fighting fish.
babies?
Yeah. It's so weird looking. Thought it was a massive flounder. That is a weird creature, isn't it?
This is not hooked in the mouth.
Ah! Oh, it's just blubber. No. Don't hurt it. Ah! Wallah, I just got electric shock.
Yeah?
Yeah, Allah, I just did.
Wait.
I'm not joking.
Okay, wait, stay there.
I just got electric shock from the bastard. I'm not joking.
Fucking bitch.
What the fuck was that? He's too big. I sometimes chuck 4 times the size of this out. Oh. Let's see if there's any joys in this system. God willing, there is. Where am I going to cast this shit now? Huh?
Next to me there.
I can't.
Why? What do you want? Cast anywhere you want. I'll lift for you.
No, that's right.
I'll wait for you.
I'll put it there. Yo. We don't want little pinkies. We want big pinkies. Alright, that other spot we went to was absolutely crap. Probably could be good, but didn't get anything. So we've come to the Old Faithful. It's a bit windy, but we're gonna see what happens. Tide, beautiful. I don't know what the fuck this is. Can't be a fish. I just felt like tuk. Nah, no way that's a fish. Why is it heavy? No. If it's a flatty. And it's nothing. Well, I just caught myself the cutest little fish from Port Jackson. Look at him, he's so cute. Come here, mate. I'm gonna get this hook out. I might just cut it off. Yeah, I'm just gonna cut it off and drop him back in. What'd you get on my rod?
Another bream, probably.
Hopefully it's a nice 45 centimetre. You got a fairly decent hook, so it might be a nice size bream.
Snake.
Oh, it's a fucking snake. 80.
Hold that so I can cut the line.
Why cut the line?
What?
Who cut the line?
You're gonna take the line. Don't want to ink him, mate.
Alright, he's not that small. Yeah, beauty. He's not small. Alright.
Fucking least you could do is undo it for an old man.
Oh, I would have done that, bro. Jesus, you didn't ask me. But yeah, bro, that's a nice size.
You can have him.
No, you have him. I'm not gonna use him. Where are you going? too small.
Where'd it go? She wanted to see you catch a fish.
Is it a bream? Maybe a soapy.
Was that on the squid?
Lift. Oh, snapper. Legal stuff. I was going to say snapper. You know what? I was going to say snapper, bro. Wallah, I was going to say snapper. I should have said it. That's legal snapper, bro. Good on you. Hold it up. On my rod, of course. Beauty.
The good thing definitely the bait.
Yeah. Alright, I forgot to film this. I just caught this squiddy now. I'm just going to change up the fucking bait a bit. Look at that. It's amazing how they just flash. So what you're going to do, if you want to put them out of their misery quick, hit them on the head and we'll go white. Or just go like that through the head and that takes the head off. And there you go. So what we're going to do with this, I'm going to strip it up. I'm going to give one to my mate. Oh, that is a sharp knife, gee. Really good, really nice. I feel bad for this one. I had eggs. Hate that when that happens. So yeah, I'm just going to make some strips and throw a few strips out. I just lost a dew, so I'm spewing about that. Just didn't set the hooks. So there you go, my man. I'll put a strip on for me. And it's amazing how they got these. Oh, where is it? These like plastic backbones. It's like plastic. It's amazing. It literally feels like plastic. So I'm just going to strip it. Make some strips like this. And I'm going to cast this out on my little rod and have some fun. Get all that skin off. You can't get fresher than that. And when you put it on, you just, you know how it is, just put a hook straight through there and let it dangle in the water. So I'm going to whack it on this rod. And I've only got 10-pound line. So if this goes off, I'm in big trouble. So what we want to do is go through there like that, and that will just sit in the water and the joey will swallow it. Oh!
Got him?
Fuck, he spat it.
I could hear that dinging from the car. No.
Fucking spat it. Son of a bitch.
Yeah, I could hear that singing from the car.
Fuck.
Down the ramp. That it?
Nah, fucking. That was a Jew. Fuck me.
That's mine too, had my name on it.
Oh, there goes my light. Just hooked up something here. Oh, feels like a small brim. Oh, it's not too small. Oh yeah. Another brimmy. Beauty. Love these fish. Yeah, just brim. Oh, I got off. Fuck. Again, they keep getting. What is it, brim? Yeah. What a pretty fish. Wait. Chris, quickly come. There's a fish on here, quickly.
Before they further come.
Quick.
Further come.
Oh. Quickly.
Come.
Quick.
Pull it, bro.
Oh. Probably a little tiny brim. What the fuck? Did you get off? Fucking got off. Son of a bitch. All the guys that are going for brim, there's all different ways of going for brim, but here I find the best. Get a bit of yucca. Sorry, little man. Make sure you kill him before you chop him up. Just chop him up. Oh, you can see, right? Chop him up, right? I know it's cruel. It's life. Get a piece. Depends how big your hook is. I go for a piece about that big. And got another rod. I'm gonna shove that piece on. Okay. Now, I've got this rod here. That bait there. Because it's pretty deep water out here, I'm using this kind of hook, this setup. 12 pound. Decent sized hook, not decent, but just a brim hook. Put it through, like I said in my other videos, put it through. Bit of yucca, nothing like fresh yucca. And give it a massive cast out. Yeah, and most of the time you're going to get baited or you're going to catch a fish. Huh? Yeah, live. I cast this as far as you can go. Let the line go down. Because it's really deep out there. Extremely deep. Alright, we're at the bottom. Put the drag on.
I need more bait too.
Oh, okay. Get another pilly off bassin. Drag's on. So that's ready. And sit and wait for that to scream. Hopefully it does. Said, grab yourself some bait. Yeah, put some bait on it, bro. For some reason, they've been taking these little yuccas. So I'm going to cast this out. On this rod here. Straight through the back. Stop moving. Stop moving. Straight through the back like that. Cast him out. Whoa, big splash in the water then. So we've got another, oh fuck, only 17 minutes before the next ferry. Bloody hell. The bait now.
The ferry to depart from side A is the best fit service to Mothman Bay.
It's already got a few in there in the bucket. Just starting now. There's thousands of them down there. Oh, I just step on them. Aiming for the small ones. I think the ferry scared them. They tend to always disappear. Oh, look at that little fish. There we go.
Big one?
Hey, you eat them?
Yeah. They've got small
Oh, where's that hook? That other hook?
steaks.
Gummy sharks are one of the most beautiful fish to eat.
You're gonna post again.
It's so nice. It's so beautiful to eat. Hold this. Hold your champion fish up. This is what he just caught. I pressed record, but I didn't actually go through. Hold it properly. You never hold fish properly, come in. Hold it like this, where you can get bitten. They're gummies. They're just going to give you a blowjob. That's it. Don't worry. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so that's what he just caught. I thought I was filming, and we thought we had a joy, but
Be careful.
he didn't. All my fans are here.
How you go for swimming?
Huh? So this is where we caught it, and yeah, it's really nice to eat. So yeah.